So today I woke up very excited. Then I came here, I was like, today I'm gonna do something for my baby! And then I came here and I was like, wow, all excited lah. So I wanted to actually surprise her. I didn't tell her. I just like, let's go! So when we came here, then they told me I couldn't do it. So what did I want to do? I wanted to put PPL film on the front. Then they said, a lot of stone chips. Of course ma, we driver's car, we drive a lot ma, right? Who's scared of stone chips? What?
Poor thing.
So because of stone chips, I cannot apply my PPF film. If I want to do it, I have to take polish lah, wax lah. After that, I still have to go and paint. Why? Because if I put my PPF film on these, bubbles will come out. And the PPF film will basically not look nice lah.
If your skin is not pretty, you cannot apply facial mask.
No matter how many plastic surgeries you do to your face lah.
So it's also recommended for her.
So yeah, if I actually want to do that, I can do, like I said, polish, wax, repaint, and then put PPF film. But there's also another thing to worry about, because if I repaint it and I put my PPF film, when down the road I want to maintain, I want to change my PPF film, when I remove the PPF film, the paint might come off. But then again, I can always change the colour of my car, right? Sponsor, not me. So yeah, that's always the dilemma, you know, you're like, wow, I can do this, but after that how? So yeah, PPF film is actually recommended for new cars or new cars that just came out, original paint, go put your PPF film to protect your car. But one other thing that is also very good is, you know how these are actually very difficult to find. Y'all don't tell me JDM pass them easy to find, okay? Them nonsense. Hard to find rapid PPF film. So I'm trying to see whether they'll actually do this for me. So yeah, this is actually a present for my baby because she's actually been in the backyard life for damn long. After this fix my room, then can be. I'm sorry baby. But I know she's happy, she appreciates lah. You know, we have connection bond kind of thing going on. So yeah, since mine cannot, see whose one can? The VIP big here.
Yes, Bing.
Nothing lor, I say cause I cannot, then you can, then I say the VIP big lor.
No, that one, the skin smooth like white tofu.
For now.
This one like tofu pork.
Hey! Ooh! Don't fetch you later.
Cleaning around 1 hour plus. Another 1 hour plus cleaning only. Then we sit here and wait on.
1 hour plus Hello. Bobby 你做什么 What's that?
This one is the one they test on the VLT.
VLT?
Yeah. Okay, you stand outside.
Okay.
Then,
he does this all the time. He go touch, don't know what he's doing also.
see my button.
You think my button cannot? Excuse me lah, please lah. 哪里不能？也是可以。Excuse me? What nonsense? So happy his one can.
Your one can extend, my one cannot.
啊，你看，来啊 ！Guys, you wanted to review Sony and GoPro?
Bing's button can erect.
Of course, my young ma.
Oh, this one emits the. I think this one emits the rays. This one will do the reception.
来。
Then you hold this. It's magnet.
Okay, so I hold this.
Okay. Then wait, let me take the button first.
Okay. Non-eruptive button.
Does it show anything?
Power on ah?
Yeah. Come.
Okay.
林上. What are we doing?
What are we doing?
How to? 大哥你会用吗？讲用啊。
要 power 先。
Oh, have to do self test first.
Oh. Like. Calibrate.
that.
The lowest the better.
Lower.
Oh.
Okay.
So that means this one only 33% light can transfer. So now JPJ has allowed even 100%
Yes.
for the rear. And this one last time is supposed to be
0%.
oh,
not 100, 0%.
Oh, 100 means okay, sorry.
0%.
0%.
We all Asians ma like 100% though.
33. Okay. The Asian dad.
Okay. How? So the back is 0% now lah.
Now it's allowed to have
0%. What about the front now?
Huh? The front is now the rule says I think 70%. Driver side 50%.
Oh.
Or 50%.
Means my one confirm too dark already.
Wow, this one.
Probably don't break it there.
This one. Got chance we play with all this lah. But we kacau.
Ya lor, really kacau.
This one is the best. I think it's the IR beam and all that.
A lot of Chinese
See?
words.
Ultraviolet, infrared, and visible light
Okay.
transmission. So, ta-da, we found this. So, I think this one is the most popular one, the 70. Top 70. But this one without the protection film lah.
The security film ah.
Then without the security film. Ooh.
Oh, that's how you use it.
Yes.
Oh.
See? So the infra, but if I tilt the angle, it actually affects it a bit. So you can see UV is 99, IR 97, but they are an approximation. But anyway, here it says right, the IR it's only up to 1400 nanometers. So different machine will have different parameters, I guess. But that's how they test normally. Yep. Anything else to play? Wow, we're waiting.
Dude, 咩嚟嘅？so
Later will kick us out.
he will lah, eventually so play while we can lor. You not bad
Wow, you apply this on your window. The visible light is 0.2%. Why still
Okay lah.
the light still get to emit? Put my hand.
Accurate lor.
Wow, this tin This one, you know what kind of tin is this? When you come home late, then your father.
This one security tin also ma. If anyone come in, tush. Ya lor.
Okay. Bye bye.
Hey guys, so if you want to wrap your car in PPF film, 25% for Evo Club members. Have you joined our Evo Club yet? If not, go to the link description below, as well as Evo Enduro. Do you know if you qualify? I hope to see more drop the tops this time, okay? And yeah, check out if you qualify, go link below as well. All the details are there. Please read really all the details out there. If not, PM us on Facebook and we will reply you. But join us! 1st to 5th August, a lot of things happening. Everything is in the link. Check it out! Bye!